It's been a long time coming. A while ago, I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to share my hummus recipe, and there was a lot of you guys that actually did. So I'm finally gonna do it. I'm gonna read off the ingredients that you need, and I'm also gonna show you what they look like because one or two of these maybe you've never heard of or you've never actually used. What you're gonna need is garbanzos or chickpeas. Garbanzos in Spanish, you fucking know what I mean. Tahini, lemons or lime, garlic, olive oil, cumin, kosher salt. I'm gonna use the pink Himalayan one. This is optional. I will also put in some cilantro and this chile because I like everything that I eat to be spicy. For the garbanzos, I'm going to be using some that my mom actually cooked for me at home and I brought with me to my apartment. She knows that I use chickpeas in a lot of recipes. I really like them, so I'll just throw them in anything I'm eating. And I have an overwhelming amount of them because she made a bunch. For the tahini, you can get it at almost any health food store, but Walmart also sells some. At the health food stores, it'll be a little bit more pricey, of course, and at Walmart, it's a reasonable price. For the chickpeas, I don't usually use the ones that I'm using today. What I do is that I buy them in a can from Aldi's. I think they're like 60 cents a can, so very inexpensive. I tried to look up the price of the tahini that I bought at Walmart, and I couldn't find it, but I think it was somewhere between like $3 and $5, which is pretty good. At the health food stores like Sprouts and stuff, they usually sell this stuff for maybe like $6 to $10, something like that. There's a couple other things that I wanted to mention. So for this recipe, you're gonna need to blend all of these things together. I usually use my food processor, which I know that not everyone has. If you have a good blender, I'm pretty sure you can use that. I have used the blender that my mom has at home, but that one's kind of like a hardcore blender. I don't know if like a regular blender will work, but I think it will. And then for the garlic, I'm going to roast it. I'm going to roast the 2 pieces of garlic that I'm going to use prior to putting them in the blender or the food processor because I prefer the taste of roasted garlic than just raw garlic. And then there's one more thing. Oh yeah. For the chickpeas, if you were to cook them, usually you want to save the liquid that they're in, or the liquid that they're in if they're in a can, to pour some of it into the food processor to help it all blend together. But I don't have that. I just brought out the chickpeas, so I'm just going to use water instead. Oh, yeah, disclaimer. I'm not gonna be specific with measurements. So I'll try to show you guys like how much I'm using of each thing. But really this is all like it's up to you and what you like and how much of each thing you need. So I'll try to make it very clear on like I'll try to make it very visible on how much of each thing I'm using. hay unas últimas cosas que les quería decir. If you're gonna shop for the tahini at Walmart, it's in the peanut butter section, and I'm telling you guys this because it was really fucking hard for me to find it the first couple times. It's in the peanut butter section, almost always at the very top, like at the very, very top. And also, you guys might have noticed that I put a piece of avocado, like I just threw it in there, because why not? I like avocados, so that just goes to show you guys can put anything in there that you would like. I mean, don't put anything in there, but you know, if there's something in specific, like a spice or a vegetable or something like that, you can go ahead and do that. I hope this video was helpful and that you guys try out this recipe. If you do, let me know. If you have questions, DM me on Instagram or comment below. So